para alam din naman ng mga bata kung ano yung ini-embrace nilang culture at kung ano yung susundan nilang identity nila. Kasi we always say, igurot ka, handa ngayon why? Bakit ka igurot? Basta igurot ka kasilatan. So now, nag-share tayo ng konting presentation kung paano nila susundan yung lineage nila through blood, kung saan sila nanggaling, para matrace nila kung ano yung ethnicity nila. It's a good thing, may mga bata rito na though hindi sila taga rito, but they embrace the culture. But hindi po natin masasabi na sila ay by blood po kasi, so they are Cordilleran. Kahit na hindi po sila by blood na Igorot or IP, they are called Cordilleran. Yun po ang difference. So some naman po, alam po nila na their parents are both from Mountain Province. They know what the ethnicity is.
Anong natutunan mo?
Sa mga tribes ng Pilipinas.
I don't know, basically just the, what do you call those? Just the, like, attire and then the, like, different ethnic groups.